Message in a Bottle is a new dance production based on the music of Sting, and it uses his music and the dance of 16 ridiculously talented dancers to tell a very beautiful story about humanity and hope. When we did our first workshop, I was trying to find this kind of hybrid of dancer that can cross over from the most graceful, balletic, contemporary movement into breaking and hip-hop and all sorts of other styles. The energy that you get from the human beings on stage and what they give to you is extraordinary. I just think they're incredible.
Words can't describe how it is to be a part of this project. It's once in a lifetime. To be the original cast as well, I think that is just amazing.
What's really exciting about this production for me is to be working, first of all, with so many amazing, talented dancers and creatives, and also work with Sting's music.
Every single person is on the whole time. It's very energetic and it's just non-stop.